Hey, how's it going? I got a new kitten, so we're going to go ahead and get this poured. That way it can set up and we can get on to the next step of this desk. Alright, so it's sanded down, it's ready for stain. I'm gonna give you guys a peek. Just remember, this is my first time doing this, so don't be too harsh. So here we go. Where that top was, I went ahead and filled that in with epoxy. Gray on the sides, red on the back. And then the block O. And now I'm just gonna stain it, and then hopefully it turns out looking good. So far I'm alright with it. Alright, instead of staining it, I did stain it, but it ended up purple. So I sanded it down, and I wanted to do that where you burn the wood. And this is how it turned out. It looks real patchy. A friend of mine said that's what pine does. You have to make sure you keep the torch moving. But I don't think it turned out too bad. Now I just gotta put the drawers in, and that's about it. Let me know down below what you think.